Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to questions and answers in English with Urdu translation. Okay, let's start this lesson. Hello, what's your name? Hi, my name is Emma. How old are you? I'm 30 years old. What are your hobbies? I like to cook. Do you like to travel? Yes, I enjoy seeing new places. What are your plans for today? I'm going to see my friends. Do you work? Yes, I work as a cleaner. What is your favorite food? I like pizza. What's your dream holiday? I would love to visit the Maldives. How's your family doing? They are well, thanks. Do you like to cook? Yes, I do enjoy cooking. What's your favorite animal? I love cats. Are you married? Yes, I am married. Is there a bank near here? Yes, 5 minutes away. What's your favourite colour? I like the colour red. What languages do you speak? I speak English and French. Do you like sports? Yes, I enjoy watching cricket. Do you prefer tea or coffee? I like tea. What are you afraid of? I don't like snakes. Do you like reading? Yes, I enjoy reading very much. What are you going to cook today? I will make chicken today. Where do your parents live? They live in the United Kingdom. What does your father do? He buys and sells cars. What about your mother? She is a housewife. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have three brothers and one sister. What time do you wake up? I get up at 5 a.m. Do you drive? Yes, I can drive. What was your favourite subject at school? I enjoyed maths. What job would you love to have? I'd love to be a pilot. What are your hobbies? I enjoy sewing and cooking. Do you go to the gym? Yes, I go gym 3 times a day. Do you have any children? Yes, I have one boy and one girl. How old are they? My son is 5 years old and my daughter is 3 years old. Do they both go to school? Yes, they both at school. What time does their school finish? They finish at 3 p.m. Time do they go to sleep? I put them to bed at 8 p.m. What's your favourite drink? My favourite drink is lemonade. Do you have any illnesses? No, I'm very healthy. Do you have a mobile phone? Yes, I do. I have an iPhone.